Now, we're going to learn edition of Renewing God. Today, I want to talk about renew your mind to success because many people get born again, they don't renew their mind, and they expect to have a different result. Getting born again is just the beginning of it all because you are now have a heart that can receive and utilize the Word of God and understand the Word of God. That's why you get born again first. Because then you dive into the Word of God. The Bible says, as newborn babies, that it says, receive make of the Word, where you can grow thereby. So the renew your mind requires you studying the Word of God. It is the manual for your life. And there are three things or three areas you must let the word of God soak in. Number one, Joshua number 1 says, let the book of the Lord not depart from your mouth. So always speak the word of God. Number one. Then it says on that then thou shalt meditate on it day and night. So you need to think on the word of God. Then the third one, he said that thou must observe to do, then that make that way prosperous and have good success. So you see, you must act on the word of God. So you speak with your mouth, then think with your mind, that your thoughts must be filled with the word of God, and act is your doing the word of God. So mouth, you speak, your mind, think of the word of God, your actions should be you doing the word of God. These three things make you successful in Christianity. Look at Psalm chapter 1, verse 1 to 3. He said that blessed man that walking on the counsel of God leaders, standing way of sinners, or sitting in the seat of scoffers, but is the light is in the law of God, and does in it doesn't meditate day and night, and shall be like a tree planted by the rivers of water that never withers but produces its fruit in the season. So, in other words, the word of God is the key to stay fruitful even in the midst of dry season. Like the world is experiencing a dry season, a drought of financial troubles right now. But it is the word of God that is the key for you to maintain a life of successful living, because he says the word of God makes the way prosperous, clears any barriers of life, because finances, blessings, peace, health are all spiritually based if you must remain permanent in every situation. So renew your mind as a child of God. Take the word of God serious because it is the key to your victory. So I'll see you again. And if you know you're not born again, you can say the prayer on the screen. But also, if you are born again, tell someone about Jesus Christ. So God bless you.